Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. We're doing great and welcome to this new video here on Bitcoin. We're going to do a full updates on the currency. It's pretty good. As you can see right there from Bitcoin, we managed to recover. And in general, we're trying to break back above the POC right here. The point of control has shifted down slightly. Even though, I mean, it's some area. I mean, you can very clearly see within 4 minutes is what I think this is important. You can very clearly see that there's basically two POCs, or basically the entire area where most volume has been created is this area right here between 84,500, which we've talked about extensively for the last couple of days, and then the green level right here at 83,200. It looks like we're going to break through that. We actually have some volume coming in here during the late Asian sector as well. So that's pretty good. And then also, if you take a look at S&P 500 futures, you can see that they bounced from support. So that could be an early indication of getting some more strength from there, even though it's very early to say. Because obviously, I mean, today, regardless from the price action, and by the way, I expected a little bit more, a little bit more bearish paper yesterday during the afternoon, just in general with the FOMC and with the with the call of Trump and Putin, expected a little bit more de-risking. And it seems like, even though the volume is quite low at this point of time, the volume right now for Bitcoin is $23.2 billion over the last 24 years. It does seem like overall in this area right here between 84,500, like I said, the POC, in this area right here at 78,000, it seems like, but 80,000 is holding up fairly well as well. It's never was more respected in the last couple of weeks than 78,000. It's actually this isn't volume, right? And it seems like buyers and sellers, even though the volume was not quite higher in the first half of the month, it seems like they're agreeing that this is the kind of the range that we have to be in. And then if you actually get some new developments around the market, if you could just specifically, but it could also be other things, not crypto specific, then we can get some sort of a breakout. And that's obviously what today will be mainly focused on. Next week for a team meeting. Right, so later today we actually figuring out every decision. I will be live streaming very much, so hopefully I'll see you then. Most of you know how it is when I just live stream after the interest rate decision and during the press conference, and we just go over everything that's being said. Um, so that's going to be important. And there's all kind of really catalysts to actually put Bitcoin above 84,500. What we're seeing the actual movement, right? Because what we've seen in the last, well, especially in the last couple of weeks, last week we had inflation rate data that was lower than expected. We have some other data coming in as well that's a bit mixed, but for example, this Monday, we had the US retail sales, those were also lower than expected. So there are some signs of disinflation. And that's in combination with all the tariffs, etc. It's just going to be very, very interesting what they'll say. And it has become much more unpredictable how many rate cuts we will have this year. And that's probably, in fact, that's some sort of indication that we're leaning towards more rate cuts than they were last time. But people analysts strong enough to rip them up to 88%. Because like I said, I don't think we have found stability here. And that, in a sense, is a good thing. So that's the main thing we have to look for today. And type that, and I'll try to incorporate this a little bit more in my analysis if you're interested in that. Maybe if you look at the two parallel, one thing what you can see is that this is also indicating that we are in a consolidation. We had a couple of more valid closes right here, but this next second profile is most likely going to be higher than the last one. Most likely at least. We have a single point here. It's 83,700, so that adds to the area of influence right here between 84,500 and 83,500. Basically makes it even stronger. And more important, if we can actually get a close above that with volume, like I said, and that is still very, very dependent on what we actually hear. So yeah, my video will be uploaded later today and then with a live stream in the evening. Hopefully I'll see you there, but for now that's it. So thank you for watching. Take care.